Welcome everyone. To use the emergency SOS feature, regardless of the iPhone model, you're going to press and hold both the power and the volume down button together, and you're going to keep these two held down. And if you release, when you see this power menu, first of all, you will have this emergency call option, which you can swipe to access emergency services. But if you keep on holding these two buttons, you're going to see there's going to be a countdown, and once the countdown jeez, that was loud. Once the countdown ends, it will have automatically called the emergency services. One other thing this feature is useful for is if you long press, it will require you to enter in your passcode. It will lock you out of Face ID. So you can see your passcode is required for Face ID. So maybe if you're in a situation where you don't want someone to put this phone on your face and unlock it, then by using that feature, you can block that. On some of the newer versions of iOS software, you will need to turn on auto call. So there will be an auto call option in settings, and you'll have to turn on the auto call. You can see emergency SOS, and you'll have to make sure this is on. Okay, in order for that Holden release to work. And with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.